Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to log into Western Union. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to westernunion.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. After that, you just need to go to the top to check out of course what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, send money online from the United States at our best price. We have send money, pick up cash, track a transfer, pay bill, etc. etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and log into Western Union. First of all, go to the top right corner where you have login and register. If you haven't already registered, we have a separate video on our YouTube channel where you can learn how you can register to Western Union. But now click of course on login. You will have it like this here. And what you need to do is go and type in your email address. It is typed for me immediately. After that, you just need to go and type in your password. So your password has to, of course, have the uppercases, lowercases, numbers, and the symbols. When you type your password, just click on login. And now my password is not, for some odd reason, good. Just a second. I have to, of course, put the right one if this one is not good. And when you click on there, just need to click on login. And now, just a second, there's a technical problem. Yeah, so there is a technical problem here, but of course, if you of course put in your password, right password, it will go in. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye.